guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Swapnali and today we are going to talk about lipsticks. And in today's video I have two lipstick hacks for y'all. Now when you're applying liquid lipstick and it's a nude shade, it's very simple. You just take your lip gloss and apply the shade. But when you're applying a shade which is like a blood red, hot pink color like this, you can't apply the lipstick without applying a liner. And the outline of bolder or like more darker lipsticks is much more visible than of nudes. So the first hack I'm gonna it's not a hack, it's a tip I guess. The first one is about what to do when you're applying a bold color lipstick. Now usually if you have a lip gloss, what you're gonna do is you just take the lip gloss and apply the lip gloss, right? What you have to do is take a brush like this. You can get this for like 40-50 rupees, it's that cheap. So get a brush like this and first take some lipstick on this brush and just outline your lips. Now obviously not every single time you are gonna have the correct lip liner. Now I have a lot of lip liners but still I run out of lip liners sometimes. So yeah, you can't have all the lip liner colors. This is a much more easier way. You don't even need a lip liner. What you're doing right now is lip lining but with the lipstick. Once you have your outline, then you can either use your brush or just take the wand and add your lipstick. So it's a very bold pink color, as you all can see, and I never wear bold pinks, it's not my thing. But just to show y'all, I use this color. Now the second tip is about you know, when you see lipsticks on magazines or just like covers, and the lipstick looks so different when you apply it on your own lips, right? It happens quite often. So I have a tip for y'all that can help you with that problem. And for that, what you will need is some eyeshadow and a brush. Now I have applied this lipstick, but I'm finding it too pink, like I said. And I want to tone the pink down, and I want to add a more earthy tone to it, like a brown tone to it. So all I'll do is, I'll take whatever color I want from this palette. I think I'm gonna go in with this brown. Just take some on your brush and add them on your lipstick. As you can see, this part looks more brownish, it's not that dark pink. And as you all can see, I have made a totally different shade. Now, if I feel that my lipstick is looking too matte, I can actually go and add a slightest bit of shimmer to it. And then I got some shimmer to it. This is what is done on the models who are like on runways for photo shoots, what you see in magazines. It's not only the lipstick. They do add a bit more of their, you know, eyeshadow or glitter or shimmer to it to slightly change the color and make it look better on camera. But yeah, you can use this too and, you know, make whatever lipstick you have work. You know, it's for those times when you want a shade of lipstick but you don't have the exact that shade and you have something else and you know it's just not matching or it's just not working. Try this out. This also makes your lipstick much more matte and transfer proof. So I also use this quite often when I am doing makeup myself and I don't have you know, the lipstick is not matching with the eyeshadow for some reason. That's what I do. So yeah, that's it for the video today, guys. And yeah, I hope you'll enjoyed it and you'll actually try this out because it's really simple and it's really helpful too. So I will see you in the next video.